twist. We are making ratatouille without a recipe. We're only using prior knowledge and the clip from the movie Ratatouille where they make ratatouille.
Well, how would you prepare it?
The clip had a yellow zucchini, but the store had zero selection, so we have this very small green zucchini. And they didn't have the greatest eggplant selection either, so we have 2 long zucchinis. Oh, the bag. We have lots of tomatoes, because I was like, there's not that much of the other ingredients, so we'll use lots of tomatoes. In the clip, I added some onions to like the sauce, so we're gonna do that. And we have the sauce. We were informed by an outside source that it was green pesto, but in the clip it was red, so I got red pesto. So hopefully that's good. It says do not heat pesto in big bold letters. The discovery that the like cheese grater has these things, so we don't actually have to cut them. So zucchini. Whoa! Wow. Okay, it kind of didn't work, but like kind of did, so it's okay. This is epic. Fantastic.
I mean, you could cut them with the knife.
I'm not cutting them. I'll cut a couple and see if we can fix this. This thing didn't work, so. I want to eat zucchini, and I don't know if you're supposed to eat it raw or not, but
It tastes okay.
it's just
It tastes like zucchini. No, better. Actually, it's really good. You should try some. Eat that.
This one.
It's good. You don't like it?
It just tastes like nothing.
I literally don't. It's good. Nothing's good.
Eggplant time. Okay, and then moving on to the eggplant. Again, there wasn't very good selection, so these are kind of sad.
Because it's not eggplant season.
Oops, that was a thick boy. sauce on the bottom. So we'll use one, I guess, and just dump it.
Alright, time to put in some spices.
We don't know what actually goes in there, but
Throw some in.
go.
So this is cilantro.
It's not actually cilantro.
Oh, what is it?
Not sure.
Might be cumin. So this is cumin.
Here, let me smell it. Don't put it in.
Hold on. Alright, so we're
let's
not gonna use
Does it smell
that.
like a ratatouille kind of thing?
Oh, actually it is ground up cilantro.
So we're just gonna put some cilantro in. Alright. And then maybe throw in some paprika.
No.
Okay.
I'm thinking no.
How about thyme?
Yeah.
Alright, just a little.
Okay, what was the thing that they didn't put in? Was it oregano? That they didn't put
Oregano.
in?
There's no oregano in this
oregano.
dish. How about rosemary?
I'm feeling like this isn't really
Parsley flakes?
Yeah, put some parsley. Do we have basil? Basil?
No, maybe yes. I don't know.
Because that's what like pesto is. This is gonna be a great thing. Tiny in the background.
Sweet basil.
There we go. Put some of that in.
Alright.
Say no to oregano.
French seasoning. And we're just gonna put in a little bit of that. And that looks to be about good.
Okie dokie. So
Alright.
we put all the vegetables in, and it looks
Beautiful.
really good.
Like so good.
I'm so hyped. It looks so good. So good. That looks so good.
Alright, so now we're probably gonna drizzle some more sauce on top and add more spices.
And we're gonna drizzle some oil on top because maybe that's what you do.
Maybe.
Then we're gonna put a bit more basil and French seasoning on the top.
You should drizzle it like Salt Bae. Nice. All right. Okay.
It's amazing.
Okay. So now we're going to cut a piece of parchment paper so it will fit around the bowl.
On top.
On top of the bowl.
To our logic brains and decided to preheat the oven to 325 just because, you know. Yeah. We don't remember a recipe, so we're just gonna be sticking it in the oven and keeping an eye on it.
Yep. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we have a special announcement.
Happy birthday. It's ready. We're sticking it in the oven. Holy Jesus. Okay. Ready to put ratatouille in the oven. And my sunglasses aren't on my head this time. Okay. Okie dokie, we just went on a fun little walk to a bin of free stuff and
Free stuff.
got some good stuff. I got a plastic knife.
Got a lathe, tray. Pretty funky.
Yeah. Okay, the time has come to take it out of the oven, I think. I don't know, we're guessing. It's been 50 minutes?
50 minutes?
50 minutes. So we'll see. Oh, get out of the way. Okay.
Looks
Alright,
good.
we're feeling pretty good. It looks kind of the same. The eggplant got a little bit brown and it kind of expanded, I think. But I think we did pretty good. It looks pretty good.
It looks
I'm
pretty good.
proud. Pull that around. There's not really much drizzling to do, so.
Alright.
Alright, we took it out of the oven
Final
and
product.
oops. It slid around a little bit. It looks really good.
It looks
It
very
looks really good. I'm really proud. Now it's time to feed Nora's family and ourselves.
Ratatouille.
And see if it was good.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Emily, Nora's sister. Okay. And here's your ratatouille. It smells good. Wait, you just eat it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually much better than I expected.
Sweet. Okay. Okay.
Bonjour, I am Rohamo. Okay, and here is your ratatouille.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa. Is it good? Bon appetit.
That's pretty good.
That's very good.
It's not what I was expecting it to taste like. At all. At all. I was like,
I don't know what I was expecting.
no, but not this. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I hope we didn't poison ourselves.
I don't think we did.
Okay. Final thoughts. It's very good.
Very good.
And it looked really good. And I'm
looked
really
good.
proud of us for doing that with
With no
No
recipe. Just the ratatouille.
I mean, it wasn't
clip.
that hard. You just slice some vegetables, but like, you know.
Top chefs.
I hope Gordon sees this.
Mm-hmm.
I love Gordon.
Gordon Ramsay's an
Literally.
icon.
Oh.
Bon appetit.
I'm about to eat some ratatouille. It's very nice. Looks like sort of a layered cake type of confection. Not bad. Flavorful. Nice textures. Somewhat, not quite sure how to describe that taste. It's somewhat ratatouille-ish. It's nice.
Hi, I'm Rosie's mom,
Okay, and here's the ratatouille.
and I'm trying this secret recipe.
There's a secret tale that goes out on the internet.
It's surprisingly good.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
Well, because I'm not a fan of some of the ingredients, but together they're pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks, girls.
All right.
So, girls, before I knew it, my plate was empty. It was very good, and I'm going to ask Rosie to make it at home sometime. No, Rosie, will you make this at home sometime? Because I will eat this, and we'll be growing our own zucchini. So, yeah, that was really good.
Okay, so that actually turned out very well.
Yeah, everyone ate the whole dish.
The whole dish.
We're in the middle of filming our outro.
Bye, everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Special guest, Dano. Okay.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
And hit that notification button. Yes, that too. And leave suggestions for other things we should cook or other video ideas. Please
Comment down below.